Hey there y'all, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lesa. I'm so glad that y'all stopped by today. We are going to do a reset here in the house. We're going to do some cleaning, and then I'm going to take down all of my 4th of July decorations. I have a to-do list here, and it's kind of random, but we're going to see how much of this to-do list I can actually accomplish. And I'm going to bring you along with me. So less talk, more action. Let's start with that load of laundry. Get it going first.
Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends.
I love this 7th generation. It is easy to use. You just squeeze it once and that's a load of clothes. And then I have been loving this Downy Rinse and Refresh. I have entire laundry motivation videos if you want more motivation for that. This is just on my to-do list to get a load done. I try to keep on top of everything.
No waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered.
With my laundry started, I'm going to disinfect my laundry basket so I can actually use it to gather up all of my 4th of July decor here in just a little bit. I'm going to start by unloading my dishwasher and getting all those clean dishes put away and my few dirty dishes loaded back in so that it is ready to start again tonight.
Couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole.
If you enjoy cleaning motivation and homemaking videos, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and join the Uniquely Lesa family. I am passionate about all things homemaking and housekeeping and love to share that with you here on my channel. I would definitely love for you to be a part of that. And if you are new here, be sure you drop me a comment below and let me know so that I can say hello and welcome.
It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. No Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered still.
Coffee break. And then I'm going to fill up my 2 wax warmers with wax. One goes in my den here, and then the other goes in my bedroom. I'm out of this first fragrance, and I really love it, so I hope that Walmart has more of it.
I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell.
checking in on my to-do list so that I can check off what we've accomplished so far. The big task is to get the 4th of July decor down. And like I said, I'm going to use my laundry basket to gather it all up into one spot. I need my husband to get in the attic to get my empty totes out so that I can load it all into totes, and then he can put it back in the attic. So that all happened off camera. But this is a really good cleaning tip for you if you have things that you need to like pick up and distribute around the house, or if you have toys that need to go back in playrooms and bedrooms. Use a laundry basket or some kind of tote or bin to gather it all up and then disperse it throughout the house. Then you're not making a bunch of random trips all over. And if you're like me, I get distracted when I do that. I'll walk into a room and see something else that needs to be done and then totally forget what mission I was on in the first place. So hopefully this tip, if you don't already use it, is something new and is helpful for you when you are doing your housekeeping and cleaning.
Big black hole, it got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the window.
With all of my patriotic decor coming down here in the kitchen, be on the lookout for a kitchen decorate with me for late summer. I have some really cute stuff that I want to put out to just go till the end of summer before we start putting out fall stuff. It is still early July, so there is so much summertime left, and I want to thoroughly enjoy that with some new decor here in my kitchen.
Now, liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna try.
Like my kitchen here in my entryway, I'm going to be switching out a few things and doing a entryway decorate with me for late summer, just because there's these empty spots left from where my patriotic decor was. Nothing major, but just something a little exciting and fun for the rest of summer until we get to that fall decor. It is fast approaching and I don't want to rush it here at all.
Through the summer night, and when we
Since this throw has been sitting out for a while, I want to give it a wash before I put it away in storage.
are old and gray, but look back at this summer night. This summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a
I want to be sure and wipe down my kitchen before I vacuum the floors. That way any crumbs that are on the counter that fall onto the floor, it's not falling onto a clean, freshly vacuumed floor. So we're going to wipe everything down first, and then I'm going to vacuum. Because we have our sweet fur baby, I love to vacuum instead of sweep because I feel like it picks up the hair better and doesn't stir it up into the air. Just a personal preference for me. I like to use my vacuum and get it nice and clean.
We'll be alright, just you and I, singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside, gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
Does anybody else feel like they constantly wipe down their countertops in their kitchen? I swear I feel like I do this multiple times a day, especially on the weekends when everybody is at home. It's amazing I have any granite finish left or sealant left from the factory because I am constantly wiping it down. Clean cabinets make the whole kitchen feel better. Who else is with me?
Little bit of a change of plans. Instead of doing the dog blankets, my son asked if I would do his sheets and wash them. So I'm going to swap this load of laundry and then I'm going to wash my son's sheets instead of the dog blankets. And that can just be a to-do for tomorrow. That's how we roll, right? You just go with it.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say,
Even though it is the middle of summer, I have my heated blanket out. I tend to be cold a lot, so I like to sit under my heated blanket when I have the chance to sit still, which is few and far between. But I keep this out all the time, even though it's not the most attractive thing. It is one of my most loved and enjoyed items in my home.
we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't.
Our sweet fur baby Raider, he is always so curious what is going on and what I'm doing when I am cleaning out his kennel. Even though I do it so much, he should know by now. But you can see he found him a nice new cozy spot to sit on his crate cushion outside of the crate.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be.
Do you like to make to-do lists? I love them. It is so satisfying to check things off as you accomplish them. It also helps to keep me focused and on track. I do it not just for housekeeping, but I do it for schedules and other things that I need to get done in and around my home and life.
I feel so accomplished. I got a lot done on my to-do list and my home feels fresh and reset, ready to take on another day. I hope that you are feeling encouraged, motivated, and inspired to reset your own home and tackle that to-do list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I appreciate that so much. And if you haven't already, I invite you to hit that subscribe bar, set your notifications, and come back for future uploads. I would love to have you here as part of my YouTube family. Until I see you in that next video, I hope you have the most wonderful and blessed day. And I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.
It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.